Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily use AR effects on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to effects after checking if the input device here is selected as ELGATO Facecam Pro. Now, as I said before, go to effects, and here, as you guys can see, we have the AR effects. Here we have the eye contact, but sadly for me it won't work because after I click here, as you guys can see, it's only for an NVIDIA GPU. So if you do not have the NVIDIA GPU, then I'm sorry, it won't work for you unless you find something for the Radeons. But as I said before, NVIDIA GPU is sadly required to use the eye contact. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.